So I just wanted to make a quick video. Tripo3d.ai is pretty impressive. So I have been playing around with this and I wanted to download one of the models and see what I could do without doing any retopology. So this is just triangles and straight out of Tripoid. So I basically brought it into Blender. And I wanted to first maybe experiment with the texture itself. I could definitely use an enlarger to make the textures better, sharpen them up. But this time I wanted to try to see if I could just bring in the model into Substance Painter. So I've used the original textures and I baked it. And then I started layering over the textures that it did have, and I was trying to see if I could improve it, and I'm only doing it as a solid color because I didn't want to spend a lot of time, but it gives you a really good idea, and this would be amazing to be able to utilize it. If you were to model something, this would be something that you can utilize as a reference. But my goal was really to improve the textures, improve just the model. Like, how can I utilize it? I wasn't really thinking of any kind of rigging, but I just wanted to be able to just create PBR outputs and then bring them into mesh view and just kind of see like what I could do with it and create some renders and some lighting. So here I'm in mesh view, and I basically started with just assigning one of the custom mesh view materials, and then I went in and started importing all the textures. So in this case, I'm using albedo, normal map, metallic, and I'm also using the roughness map. I do have it where you can actually import it, but in this case, I'm only using those 4 textures right now, and assign it and just light it again and see what I could do with it. So the results are really promising. And again, this is just really an experiment. My goal is to see if I could utilize this, or how can I create additional elements to make it look even better, because the output itself is not bad. And I know that a lot of these apps actually offer the retopology as well. I didn't try that yet. I was actually gonna try to use the extension or the add-on that comes from Blender, the quad remesher, and see if that would really help at all. I know this has a lot of details, and I'm kind of treating this like a little toy 3D model maybe. So if I want to be able to 3D print this and just, you know, work on the textures, maybe I can get some really good results. But again, you never find out until you experiment. And in this case, I think it turned out really good. I mean, this is really a good way to enhance it. I know there's a lot of AI applications that also offer you to create better textures or upres them to 4K, but my experience is that the textures are never really something like you would create out of Substance Painter. So until that is still resolved, or maybe they're working on different features for these type of outputs, I really think working on the model and then creating new textures and then just going in and working on look dev for it with different lighting conditions, there's really a lot that can be achieved.